Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 19th of December. We are so close to unboxing door number 25 on my gifted LookFantastic advent calendar. So without waffling on too much at you, we're just gonna jump right in and unbox door number 19. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag volumizing mascara. I had no idea that Anastasia Beverly Hills had brought out a new mascara, but I love ABH products. I have a lot of their palettes. I really love the Amrezy palette, pink palette, and I'm interested to have a look at what this looks like. The packaging reminds me an awful lot of Fenty packaging. I'm not sure why. Not sure if anyone else gets that vibe also. That's a really nice brush. I was fearing the worst, that it was going to be a really thick brush, but actually there's a lot of density to the bristles, but they're separated so that you get a good brush. And I like that the brush is sort of curved, then it dips in and then curved again, so that you can pick up every single lash as you brush through your lashes. I had no idea that ABH had come out with a mascara. I don't actually think they've brought out a mascara before, but I love their products. They're usually very well made and high quality. This is Extreme Volume Mascara, bragging rights included. Achieve maximum lash volume and fullness. You can't stop bragging about with this jet black ultra volumizing mascara. It is volumizing, lengthening, long wearing, water resistant, ophthalmologist reviewed, gluten free and alcohol free. Have you used this bragging rights mascara before by Anastasia Beverly Hills? Let me know down in the comments below what you thought about this. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in again tomorrow for day number 20. We are getting ever so close to unboxing door number 25. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.